Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Seema Rath. So in today's video I'm going to be trying a no makeup look. So I'm following Kaushal Beauty's no makeup look tutorial. So I'm just going to go along and work with whatever products I have and let's see what the results are like. So let's get started. Okay, so for the first step she's filling in her brows, so I'll do the same thing. So I have the Innisfree's Auto Eyebrow Pencil. This is in the shade Espresso, so I'm going to use this one first. Okay, great. So I'm done with that. Now let's see what the next step is. Okay, so the next thing she's doing is moisturizing her skin. So I'm also going to do that because I've just washed my face and not applied anything else on my skin. So I'm just going to take a few drops of the facial oil. So next she's going in with the foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation and this is in the shade 310 Sun Beige. So I'm just going to take a little bit in the back of my hand. I'm assuming that we are not going for full coverage here, so I'm just going to like dab a little bit on my skin. So she's going in with a brush and not a sponge, so I'm just going to do exactly that. I'm going in with this brush and I'm just going to blend it out. This is why I don't like to do my eyebrows before doing my foundation, because I tend to just go all out. Okay, so she suggests buffing in as much as you can to just like make it look skin-like, and I think I've reached there. It doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look like I'm wearing a lot of makeup, so I think I've achieved that bit of it. So let's move on. So she's layering it because she wants a little more coverage. Okay, I think I'll do it in just areas that have a little bit of darkness or anything like that. Okay, so now I'm done with the foundation. The next thing she's doing is going in with concealer, and she has the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So she puts like a C shape under her eye. So I'm just going to do exactly that. I'm just going to put like a C shape under my eye. So I'm adding a lighter shade of concealer here because that's what she does in the video, and I'm using the L'Oreal True Match concealer in the shade Neutral. And just here. Okay, so instead of using a makeup sponge, she's using a buffing brush again. I don't know how I feel about that because I am so used to using my beauty blender for this. But yeah, I mean, let's see how this turns out. And she's not even like patting it, she's just rubbing it across. I've never done that. I had to do my eyebrows again because of course I buffed it all out. Now that is done, so the next step she's doing is curling her lashes and going in with a mascara. So I'm going to do exactly that. Okay, so now that I'm done with curling my lashes, next is mascara, and she's using the Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. That was the last mascara I owned and I loved it. So now I'm using the Hyper Curl. So I'm done with that now. And let's see what she is doing next. So next she goes in and lines her upper waterline, and I hate doing this because it hurts my eye, but yes, let's do it for the video. Every time I do this I end up poking my eye. Hopefully this time I don't. My eyes are tearing up, but yeah, I'm done. Okay, so next she's going in with a bronzer, and she's just bronzing it lightly, very lightly. So I'm just going to do that. I don't have like a bronzer, but I have this palette from Freedom. It's called the Pro Strobe palette, and I have like a few shades. It's broken also, but I have a few shades. I think I can go in with this with a light hand to just bronze my face. I'm actually mixing up these two, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. Okay, so next she's adding some blush onto her cheeks. So I'm just going to use the same buffing brush, and I'm just going to add like a little bit of it. So for the blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icons blush in the shade Mellow Wine. Okay, so she blended that in with the foundation brush, but I used the foundation brush for the blush. So I'm just going to blend it in with my beauty sponge. So now that's done. So in the video she's using a nude pinkish lipstick. So I'm just going to go in with this brownish pink lipstick that I have from Nykaa. This is in the shade Mona Lisa, and I'm just going to use this. So this is the no makeup look I achieved by following Kaushal Beauty's tutorial. So there's just one thing that I would change about this or add to this whole tutorial, which is powdering my face, because that's a very important step for me, just powdering the under eye bit. And I'm just going to do that to see if I feel any different. I mean, it makes me feel better. I don't know. Does it look different? I don't know. But yeah, I like it. I mean, I don't mind this at all. It doesn't make me look dull, and it was not too lengthy. It hardly took me, what, 10-15 minutes to do this. So let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed the video, then hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon with another video. Until then, bye.